Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel, and in today's video, we'll be discussing a topic that is highly relevant for most people in gyms and medical offices: body fat loss, especially in the abdominal area. We understand that losing fat quickly may seem challenging, but today we'll be sharing important tips for you to achieve satisfactory and healthy results. These tips involve diet, training, and metabolism. But before, don't forget to subscribe, active the notifications, and let's go together into your best version. A balanced diet is fundamental when it comes to fat loss. Opting for a nutrient-rich and calorie-appropriate diet is essential for your success. Avoid processed foods and those high in added sugars, as they are usually high in calories and low in nutrients. To optimize fat loss, reduce consumption of sodas, candies, cakes, cookies, and ultra-processed foods. Sometimes we can't resist these highly palatable foods, sweet or salty snacks. But there are ways to overcome the cravings for such foods. I'll share a few tips with you. Melon is an excellent alternative. Did you know that 250 grams of melon can be a great healthy snack? It's low in carbs and full of water, which means it will keep you satisfied and full. And if you don't like melon, don't worry. Watermelon works just as well. It's equally refreshing and satisfying. Now, on to the next tip: jelly. Have you tried the diet version? Believe me, it's amazing. Just one packet of jelly per day can work wonders for your sweet cravings. Feeling like something refreshing and tangy? Nothing beats lemon juice. Squeeze the juice of one lemon and add just 3 drops of sucralose. It's perfectly refreshing and helps control the desire for sweets. And here's a secret weapon against those sweet cravings: passion fruit. This fruit is a powerful ally in the fight against sugar cravings. Additionally, it is rich in vitamins and antioxidants. Furthermore, controlling portion sizes and planning your meals can be very helpful. By monitoring your portions and prioritizing nutritious foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, you'll be on the right track. Proteins play a vital role in fat loss. They help increase satiety, preserve muscle mass, and boost metabolism. It is recommended to consume around 1.6 times your body weight in protein to achieve healthy results. This amount is adequate to aid in weight loss. Include sources of lean protein in every meal, such as fish, poultry, eggs, low-fat dairy, legumes, and tofu. As for carbohydrates, consuming around 1.0 times your body weight is appropriate for a more aggressive caloric deficit. Fats, on the other hand, should be consumed around 1.0 times your body weight. Remember not to overdo salt consumption, as it leads to water retention. The recommendation is to consume about 7 grams of salt per day. And let's not forget about proper hydration. Drinking an adequate amount of water is essential for a healthy metabolism and to aid in fat burning. Avoid sugary drinks and prioritize water as your primary choice for hydration. Regular physical exercise is crucial when it comes to boosting your metabolism and burning fat. Combine aerobic exercises such as running, swimming, or cycling with strength training for maximum results. Practicing activities like cardio and weightlifting not only increases your calorie expenditure but also transforms your body into a fat-burning machine. Remember, movement is crucial for effective fat burning. Another powerful technique to enhance fat burning is high-intensity interval training, HIIT. This training method involves alternating periods of high-intensity exercises with short recovery periods. HIIT workouts are great for increasing fat burning, boosting metabolism, and improving cardiovascular capacity. Consider including HIIT sessions in your exercise routine for optimal results. To burn fat, it's important to increase calorie expenditure. This means that your body needs to utilize stored fat as an energy source. Consuming fewer calories while increasing physical activity will help you achieve this goal. Strive to consume the recommended calorie amount for your diet while simultaneously increasing calorie expenditure through exercise. For example, start with 1 hour of cardiovascular exercise per day, beginning with a brisk walk at a speed of 5 km per hour, either on a treadmill or outdoors. As you progress, gradually increase the intensity of your cardio exercises. After about 15 days, you can start incorporating light jogging. Run at a speed of 6 km per hour, running for 1 minute every 5 minutes. Walk for 1 minute. For minutes, and continue gradually increasing the running time. Aim to complete 10 1-minute sprints within 1 hour of cardio. As you finish your cardio workout, your body continues to work even after you're done. The elevated heart rate from running keeps your metabolism revved up, meaning you continue to burn calories and fat. It's like a chain reaction in your metabolism. Isn't that amazing? Now it's time to take your cardio to the next level. How? By incorporating interval training into your routine. During your 1-hour cardio session, you'll have intervals every 5 minutes. This means you'll do numerous intervals, ranging from 5 to 15, 20, and beyond. But cardio is just one piece of the puzzle. To achieve a toned and defined appearance, we need to add strength training to the equation. Welcome weightlifting. By incorporating weightlifting into your routine 3 times a week, you'll see incredible results. Now, let's talk about how to divide your weightlifting sessions. Let's use a 3-day split, A, B, and C. On day A, you'll focus on the chest, shoulders, and triceps. These muscles work together, creating synergy that maximizes your gains. On day B, it's all about the legs. You'll target the front of your thighs, known as the quadriceps, as well as the back of your thighs, also known as the hamstrings. Additionally, exercises like squats and lunges indirectly engage the glutes. In the third group, we'll call it Workout C, it's all about your back, biceps, and abs. Strengthening these muscle groups not only improves your posture but also provides defined arms. And a strong core not only enhances overall strength but also helps you achieve a well-toned abdominal region. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to reaching a goal. Aim to go to the gym 3 to 5 times a week, following this training program. The third pillar of a successful weight loss journey, rest and recovery. Did you know that getting enough sleep and managing stress are crucial factors that can significantly impact your weight loss goals? When we are in a state of calorie restriction, our bodies undergo certain changes. One of these changes is the conversion of carbohydrates into a substance called glucose. Glucose plays a vital role in our brain function, and a reduction in glucose levels can leave us more alert, making it difficult to sleep or stay asleep. It's important to understand that when you're in a calorie deficit, your body perceives it as a threat, triggering its defense mechanism. Your body doesn't know that you're intentionally trying to lose weight, it simply wants to protect itself. And one of the first defense mechanisms it employs is fatigue. So, how do you combat this fatigue and ensure a good night's sleep? Enter GABA, gamma-aminobutyric acid, which is responsible for regulating our sleep. Quality sleep plays a crucial role in maintaining hormonal balance and appetite regulation. It is recommended to sleep between 7 and 9 hours per night to optimize your metabolic and recovery processes. Moving on to stress reduction. Chronic stress can lead to increased cortisol production, a hormone associated with abdominal fat accumulation. Managing stress is essential for a healthy weight loss journey. Consider incorporating techniques such as meditation, yoga, or engaging in relaxing hobbies. By prioritizing rest, recovery, and stress reduction, you not only improve the quality of your sleep but also support your body's natural weight loss processes. Remember, sleep is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Take care of your body, give it the rest it deserves. Now let's talk about proper supplementation for effective fat loss. Nutritional supplementation as an additional support for your weight loss journey? Well, it can make a significant difference. Today, we will explore 2 key supplements that can help you achieve your goals more quickly and effectively. Let's start with a compounded medication called 5-HTP. This supplement is known for its ability to alleviate anxiety, especially the one triggered by sugar cravings. 5-HTP acts as a precursor to serotonin, the feel-good hormone. By stabilizing serotonin levels in your body, you can reduce anxiety and irresistible cravings for sweets. It is recommended to take 100 milligrams of 5-HTP after the first meal of the day. This will significantly help with anxiety control and promote a sense of well-being. Remember that a calm mind facilitates adherence to your weight loss plan. Moving on to the second supplement, we have the pre-workout formula. This is especially beneficial if you have demanding days or struggle with low energy due to a calorie deficit. Trusted brands offer pre-workout options that can enhance your workout experience in various ways. By taking a dose of a reliable pre-workout supplement, you'll notice improved energy levels, enhanced focus during your training sessions, and better performance. This means that you'll be able to push yourself harder, perform more repetitions, and achieve your fitness goals more quickly. Remember, it's important not to consume pre-workout supplements after 6 p.m. if you want to have a good night's sleep. The stimulants present in pre-workout formulas can affect the quality of sleep, and it's crucial to prioritize a peaceful night for optimal recovery. Last but not least, creatine. This supplement will improve your strength, performance, and muscle gains. Preserving muscle mass while losing belly fat is highly beneficial, with a recommended daily dosage of 3 to 5 grams of creatine. You can take it at any time, as long as you use it every day. Losing body fat quickly and efficiently requires discipline above all. In 2 months of training, proper diet, and adequate rest, you'll achieve visible results, a more harmonious body, and, most importantly, a stronger and healthier one. With the right diet, training, and proper rest, your metabolism works positively to help you achieve better results. And we've reached the end of this video. If you enjoyed this content, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the best workout tips, diet advice, and other related content in the fitness, health, and well-being realm so that you can live your best phase. Until next time, goodbye.